Hey, spicy food lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Sriracha sauce that's way better than anything you'll find in the store. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need for the fermented version. You'll need 2 pounds of mixed red chili peppers. Red jalapenos are preferred, but Fresnos or red Thai peppers work great too. You'll also need 1 quart of unchlorinated water, 3 tablespoons of sea salt, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of rice wine vinegar. Alright, let's get those peppers fermenting. Process your fresh peppers in a food processor. Don't have one? No problem. Use a mortar and pestle or just finely chop them. Pack them into a jar, leaving at least an inch of head space. Next, mix your unchlorinated water with the sea salt. Pour enough brine over the peppers to cover them, pressing them down as you go. Make sure the peppers stay submerged to avoid spoilage. Screw on the lid and set the jar away from direct sunlight. Let it ferment for at least a week, ideally at temperatures between 55–75 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to burp the jars often to release accumulating gases, or use an airlock for easier fermenting. After 1 to 2 weeks, the brine will turn cloudy and taste acidic. That's when you know it's ready. Pour the fermented peppers, including some or all of the brine, into a pot along with the garlic, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and vinegar. Bring it to a quick boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5–10 minutes. This helps meld all those amazing flavors together. Cool it down slightly, then add it to a food processor and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove the solids, pour it into hot sauce bottles, and there you go, your very own fermented Sriracha sauce. But wait, if you're in a hurry and can't wait for fermentation, you can make a fresh version too. The ingredients are almost the same. You'll need 2 pounds of mixed red chili peppers, 1 quart of unchlorinated water, use just half a cup for a thicker sauce, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 1 cup of rice wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Process your peppers and garlic in a food processor until smooth. Add the mixture to a pot along with the water, sugars, vinegar, and salt. Bring it to a quick boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Blend it all up in a food processor, strain out the solids, and voila, fresh Sriracha sauce ready to go. Love the recipe? Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. This homemade Sriracha sauce is more like the original Thai recipe and so much better than anything from the grocery store. Time to make Sriracha hot sauce. Thanks for watching and see you next time.